you of our LCD display, you can see the information. You can see the battery pack voltage and the temperature. And the cell voltage, cell 1 to the cell 16. And the cell capacity, SOC and FCC, main capacity and the cycle. And this for our label. This for the quotient and the specification of our battery. We support OEM and ODM according to the customer needs. And this for our package. This for our accessory. This for the positive cable and the negative cable and the communication cable. And this for our battery user guide manual. Show you the details, battery introduction, and how to installation and the operation, and how to connect it with the inverter. And this for our certification quality. We have passed the ULCE and MSES certification, so we believe that our battery quality can be satisfied with you.